Hello everyone. Today I just received my GitHub Campus Expert welcome kit and I am super excited to unbox it with you all. It came in a hard cardboard box outside and inside it there's a special red box with GitHub Campus Expert written on it. Looks pretty good. Let's open it. First of all, we have the Campus Expert flag and followed by it we have a note from GitHub. And there's the iconic black and yellow bag. Looks amazing. Next we have got Campus Expert t-shirt and at the back my GitHub username is printed. Looks cool. Now moving on, we have some stickers. We have a pen, a red diary. Yeah, GitHub is imprinted on the front. And of course, the highlight, red Campus Expert hoodie. It also has my GitHub username printed on the sleeve. Finally, to complete the kit, there are some gift sheets, some stickers for keypad, a huge shout out to GitHub for this amazing kit. Thank you GitHub, and looking forward to organize amazing events as a campus expert. Bye bye.